Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing and try on of the brand SKIMS. I'm sure you guys have seen all over Instagram and online. This is Kim Kardashian's new brand and it's all about shapewear and seamless solutions. So honestly, when this brand first launched, I wasn't actually in the market for any shapewear items, but a lot of the pieces that she designed would definitely be useful in my wardrobe underneath some of my slip dresses and a lot of my evening dresses, just because they are more thin. And it's amazing that she created all of her designs in 9 different shades, so it's very inclusive. But when I was shopping, I actually was more inclined to more of like the basic top pieces that I could wear as actual tops. So today I'm going to show you guys the 2 tops that I got and I'll try it on and let you know my thoughts on it. This is how it arrives. It comes in this shipping box and then says SKIMS on the inside, and then the packing slip is on top, and then the packaging here is their imagery from their campaign. So the first top I got is the Bandeau in the size double extra small, and the color is called Oxide and it looks like this. This one was only $20 and it's in this like light brown colorway. And right off the bat, the feeling of this is so nice. It's very soft and it seems like it'd be very breathable. It does look really small, but as you can see here, it does stretch a lot, which is great. And then on the inside, there's no tags or anything. It's just printed right directly on the garment. And I figured this top could also double as just a regular crop top, just because it is so simple as a bandeau. As you'll see in the try on, this is very form-fitting. It definitely like sucks everything in. I feel like it actually might be a little bit too small for me. Maybe I could go up a size to an extra small, but I was just going based off their size chart online. But I feel like since it is an undergarment, it is supposed to be like tighter, so maybe this is how it's supposed to fit. But I feel like since my intention is to wear this as a top, I feel like an extra small would have been a little bit better, but it still fits and I feel like I can just stretch it out a little bit if I wear it like for a day or something. So on this bandeau, there is a small band at the top and on the bottom that's very stretchy. The bottom one is a little bit thicker, so it does have a little bit more reinforcement. And I was actually surprised that the sides of it are not actually fully seamless. I was actually expecting this top to be fully seamless just because with an undergarment, you don't really want to see the seam here. So I was kind of surprised about that. But again, I'm wearing it as a top and that doesn't really matter for me right now, so I think it's fine. I feel like this would be a really good like layering piece underneath some of my tops. I have a bunch of like sheer tops that need something underneath, and I feel like this would work perfectly. The other top that I got is the scoop neck bralette, also in the size double extra small in the color Cocoa, and this one is in a more like deep brown color. And originally when I first pulled this out, I was like, there's no way this is gonna fit because it's so tiny. I was very surprised, but after I tried it on, it does stretch obviously, so it does fit. But I was hesitant in the beginning. I was like, oh no, I got the wrong size. But I really like this scoop neck bralette top because this is again going to be really great underneath a lot of my mesh tops. This one is also super stretchy, the same material. It does have the band at the bottom to give more support, and it also has adjustable straps. I really like the way that this fabric feels. It almost feels like kind of like spandex tights, but like a very like softer, buttery feeling. Let me see what it's made out of. So in this fabric, there is 24% elastane, which is the stretch. So that's why it can definitely stretch like a lot. And I do want to mention that you cannot dry clean and you can't put this in the washing machine. You have to hand wash it just because it is delicate. Both of these pieces are actually sold out on her site already. I'm sure she'll do a restock soon. Other products that I do want to try out are the bodysuit and the shorts, the sculpting shorts. I feel like I'd have a lot of use for those 2 items just because I have a lot of dresses and pieces that are more on the thinner material side, so it would be good to have that like extra lining and support. I know this is a super quick video, but I just wanted to share with you guys my findings and my try-on of these items. I like the fact that she launched with undergarments and basics in addition to her shapewear to make it more inclusive, and I like the fact that I'm able to wear both of these items as undergarments as well as actual tops. So that's it for this quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys tried out this brand or if you have any questions for me. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.